Hey guys, it's Joe over at Al and Ed's Autosound. Just taking this 1970 F250 on a test drive before we call the client to pick it up. What we just did in here is a Pioneer AVH-3500NEX flip-out unit with Apple CarPlay. Client wanted modern connections for their phone. We did a retro sound 6x9 inch dual voice coil speaker in the dash, and then we cut 6.5 inch holes in each door panel. Sorry, we decided to maybe do this video while we were moving. Kind of give you a real demo to CarPlay in a 1970 pickup truck.
Right. Looks like it's good with the trees in the sky in the background.
Also added a backup camera. So neat thing about the backup camera, you can hit the menu button, AV camera view. You can then see what's behind you. We kept the camera lines on the camera because we mounted the camera furthest out on the bumper, so we want to be able to give the client a gauge as to how close or how far they are. So not only can you watch this while you're driving and use it as a rear view kind of visual, you can also automatically turn it on when in reverse. But let's say you're doing CarPlay. Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
It's currently clear and 64 degrees in Los Angeles. Expect wind starting in the afternoon, then clear skies tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 64 degrees this afternoon to 59 tonight.
You can even use your Apple, Google, or Waze mapping in here. But once again, Joe from Al and Ed's Autosound here in Marina Del Rey. If you got an old truck or an old classic and want to be able to do Apple CarPlay and modern features that your modern trucks would have, give us a call. 310-827-8121.